Hello friends, welcome to our channel Amsterdam Kitchen. Today I'm very much excited to share with you some interesting fact about noodle. Be it your friends or family or like somebody who is near and dear, this is one single dish which you used to enjoy at every given time of the day. So let's deep down some of the facts about the noodle. The current form of the noodle was been discovered around 4000 years before in China, and it came to India around 2000 years BC. It is believed that it came to India through two routes. One was through the Silk Route and second one through the Persian. There are various countries who are associated with the various kind of histories with the noodle. Like the word noodle was being discovered by the German in the mid of the year 1400, and the instant noodle was being discovered by the Japanese. It's way back. So noodles is basically a type of food that is made from the dough. Uh, you know the basic difference between the noodle and chow-mein, where noodle is made up of dough, chow-mein is made up of noodles. Yes, you heard it correctly. So chow-mein is basically a dish which is made up of noodles, whereas noodles is something made up of dough. So you can say that all chow-meins are noodles, but all noodles are not chow-mein. There are more than 30 varieties of the noodles are available worldwide. There are two commonly most popular noodles are one is Hakka noodles and one is chow-mein. So the basic difference between these two are the way these two are being prepared. So it's being understood that one is being prepared the way the Hakkas used to prepare. Hakka is an ancient tribe in China, and the second one is the ancient Chinese people how they used to prepare the noodle is called the chow-mein. That's the basic difference between Hakka and chow-mein. Noodle was being served as one of the most luxurious food at some point of time before it became a budget-friendly food. Like if some individual want to spend all the meals every year on noodles, then he has to spend around $140 per year on his food expenses. There is a museum in Yokohama, Japan dedicated to cup noodles, which have around 4560 varieties of noodles and their process of making. In Chinese culture, noodle is a symbol of long life. Hope you guys enjoyed the information related to noodle.